again. I have another video for you guys. I am kind of getting back in the flow of things here a little bit, and I do have another Boxycharm video here for you guys. I know I was saying I was gonna have my ipsies and the FabFitFun, but immediately after I recorded that 3 months of Boxycharm video, I ended up getting my July boxes. And since these ones are newer, I felt like, why not, let's just unbox these ones together right away. That way we can kind of get back on track here. Again though, I did not make any selections for these two boxes here, so these are completely at a random selection here. I did actually make my pick for August though, so I am getting back on track here, starting to make my selections once more. This is gonna be the last month where I have not been paying attention to my subscription boxes. But the one thing that I completely did not mention in my last video was that these guys went up in price. Like, how did I not notice that the base box jumped up to $27.99 and the premium box went up to $39.99? What? Oh my gosh, I saw that and I was like, I should have canceled while I was gone. Oh my gosh, I had no clue they had jumped in price that much. I mean, I know inflation is real right now. Everything is going up in price, but oh, I am seriously considering canceling one of my subscription boxes. I know I mentioned it in the last video too, but I think by the end of this, I am gonna make a decision between keeping my base box or my premium, so it's kind of gonna depend a little bit on the way in which these two boxes go. So let's get started with the base box first and then the premium. Because I don't know about you guys, but I don't know if I can keep justifying that price tag monthly for both these boxes. I don't think I can anymore. That is expensive. So here we go. Here's a little pamphlet card here. It looks like we got 5 products, which of course is the usual amount, no surprises there. But I want to grab this big guy first. So first up, I got something here by Juice Beauty. This is their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. And it looks like it's got a little pump there. And I think their whole claim with this one is that it's supposed to be a more cleaner kind of serum, because they say they have primrose cells instead of encasement in conventional synthetic ingredients. They also say it's infused with peptides, organic resveratrol, an antioxidant-rich grape, jojoba oil, aloe, and shea base. So I guess they're claiming they're supposed to be like a better option because it's got more organic ingredients instead of synthetics. All right, we're moving on to item number 2 now, and we got something packaged in a little bubble wrap pouch there. Let's see what this is. This is by Kinder Beauty. It's their Kind Bronze. Kind of reminds me of the Physicians Formula with the way that this is like pressed in. And I got the shade Blissful Bronze, which actually I think would work for me. I've been very skeptical now that I'm gonna be getting the wrong shades here with Boxycharm. With all of the last couple hiccups there with the foundation, but this one actually looks like she's doable. I think so. I think she could work. Does have a very velvety kind of feel to it. I was wondering if it was gonna be scented just because it gives me the same kind of Physicians Formula vibes, but it is not. It just has the same kind of look, it looks like. Third up in the box here, I now have something by Tres Luce Beauty. This is their lip tint in the shade Daring. You know what that means. You gotta try her on. Dang it. I can fix it. All right, let's test this out. Lip tint. Close-up view here. That is not bad for a lip tint. Actually quite a bit of color with it. I like it. On to our 4th product now. And it looks like we got a eyeshadow brush set by Eloise Beauty. Kind of feel like brushes is something that you can never really have too many of. So I mean, I might as well open this one. And so it looks like it's a 4-piece set here, and I mean, just look at the handles here. That is so pretty. Actually, I wonder if this is distracting. I was trying to use it like a background. but I don't think it worked that well. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see the handles a little bit better. That is so pretty. It's mesmerizing to just keep shifting it. And it looks like we got a couple different blending brushes, some detail brushes, and a kind of tapered blending brush over here on the end, which might be kind of hard to see, but it's got a little bit of a tapered angle to it. And then fifth and final item here, I got something here by the brand Phase Zero. It is an eyeshadow palette called The Necessities, which we did end up getting 4 matte shades, 4 shimmers in this palette, so they did give you an even 50-50 split here. So that'll be interesting to test out since I haven't tried from that brand before. But that was it for our first box here, the base box. All 5 items, and I did do my little sticky notes situation here like I did before. And we ended up getting a value of $171 for our base box here, which I'm keeping in mind the cost here at the bottom, just so we kind of evaluate here at the end. Stick that on this box here. And then let's flip over here to the premium box. This one actually feels quite heavy right now. Suspiciously so. But here we go. Premium box. Again, same kind of theme for the box. And in here, a little sneak peek. Let's see, how many items are we talking? 6 items. Okay. Well, I think we gotta get started with the big guy on top here. Let's see what you are. Oh, Lunar Beauty. Isn't that Manny and Mue's brand? Yes, it is. I have one of his palettes behind me. I had to double check the name. I haven't gotten anything from him in like a year now, so this is exciting. But this is the palette. It's the Nude Prism. Whoops. Okay, so again, we're getting kind of like a nudie themed palette here, but this one we're getting a little bit more colors than the other one. We got a couple more shimmery tones, a couple more little pinkies. Let's swatch it out. I gotta see this. Wow, but look at those colors. Oh my gosh. So there was 18 shades here. We ended up getting 12 mattes and 6 shimmers. The shimmers are kind of swatched right in the middle there. Very pretty, look very pigmented. I'm not gonna lie, this palette compared to the other one that we just swatched, that was also a kind of basic nudes palette, this one gets me way more excited. I feel like you get so many more different kind of options here than just like the basics, which is a little bit, you know, basic. This one, at least you could have a little bit of fun with the colors here, especially with those shimmers in the middle there. I love seeing a good couple like fun shimmers inside the palette. And that one actually gets me very excited to test out. Like, you put those 2 palettes in front of me, I'm automatically gonna gravitate towards that Lunar Beauty just based on the colors in there. Premium box is coming out swinging here. What in the world? I'm excited to see what's in the rest of this box here. Let's grab this giant thing here. Stone Street Soap House. It is their wholesome body cream. They say inside of here it has geranium flower oil, jojoba, argan, and almond oil, which is all supposed to help nourish the skin without making it feel greasy. I kind of just want to do a little bit of a sniff test. Looks like so, nothing crazy. Okay, kind of an interesting scent there. It kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know how to best put this. Like, it reminds me of some like older kind of face cream line. Like, I don't know the one specifically, but I have it in like the back of my memory that it kind of reminds me of. I don't know, just something about it. It smells very familiar, and I know that's not great to describe the scent. I'm sorry. So let's just keep it moving here and move on to our third product, which actually is a little duo here. And I'm not entirely sure how the brand name is supposed to be pronounced. I'm kind of thinking Outer, but I could be completely wrong. It's the Best Buds Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. Their little secret ingredient here, CBD. Seeing that pop up a whole lot more in different products now, which actually they claim that that CBD in there is supposed to be like an anti-inflammatory because it's supposed to nourish and soothe the scalp, which I didn't know that that was a benefit from that. And on top of that, they even say that this one is supposed to be good for all hair types. It's gonna tame frizz, protect your hair color, and add a little bit of a luster and shine to the hair. So I mean, this one sounds like it's supposed to be magic in a bottle here because of that CBD in there. I'm gonna give that one a shot immediately. Fourth up now, we got something in a very blue tint here. This is the Avant Skincare. Oh, that's expensive. It is their blue volcanic stone purifying and antioxidizing cleansing gel. Hang on a second. $110. Oh my God, the price of Avant always just makes me go like, it's crazy expensive. I actually ended up giving my mom a couple of the products that I've gotten in the past advent calendars. She loves the stuff. Says it works amazing, so I mean, this may end up getting stolen from me. Let's see here. So on the back it says your treatment. It has cocoa, which is rich in antioxidants. It helps repair skin cells and aims to neutralize harmful free radicals. And then it also says it has copper, which aims to improve skin elasticity, firmness, and thickness while reducing wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. Copper. I would never have thought. Wow, so far we've gotten a little eyeshadow, a little shampoo conditioner, a little cleanser, a little body cream. We're getting the full situation here. What is next? Uh-oh. Is that gonna work? Let's see, this is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. Desert 6.5. Okay, yeah, that is not my shade. Dang. Now that I'm actually in the correct month, I will be able to reach out to them. I'm gonna see what they're gonna end up telling me about getting the wrong shade. So I'll update you guys on that. Even though it just says like it's a tinted moisturizer, I don't really want to take the risk and like open it, and whereas I can like give this away to somebody else. So I'm gonna leave that one in its packaging. I would have had full face moment here with all those products. Actually, this next product would have just kind of wrapped everything up and we could have all done like a full face together. This is the Luxie All-Purpose Sponge Set. So you got two different complexion sponges in here. It was a couple boxes ago now that I did get a set of Luxie sponges, but I remember that those ones ate the product a little bit more than I like for a beauty blender. Like some of the sponges, yes, they do eat a lot of product. They're definitely gonna do that with it being a sponge. But I felt like even with some of the foundations that I use a different kind of sponge with, I'm able to get like a really good coverage still. And this one, like I had to do multiple pumps of the foundation where I didn't have to do that with other sponges. So not too thrilled about these ones. I'm just gonna say it, just gonna throw it out there. Sponges are a little bit of a delicate dance. You gotta have the right kind of sponge. But that was now it. It was our very last item for our premium box here. And let's do a quick calculation. I have a feeling it's gonna kind of outdo that base box by quite a bit because of that Avant. Holy moly, yeah, it outdid that one. This premium box had a value of $333. That actually ended up outdoing the Luxe box that I unboxed in my previous video by like 40 bucks. That's crazy. The value on this box this month is insane. Going into this, I was pretty certain by the end of this, I was gonna be canceling my premium subscription. Now I'm a little bit confused just looking at these two boxes for the month of July, because holy shoot, the premium box outdid itself there with all the brands, the value. I mean, that one was definitely my favorite for this month by far. If I'm just basing it off of today's boxes, I would 100% keep the premium, knock out that base box because I got so much more excited about that premium box. But I'm a little bit torn because if you saw my previous unboxing of the 3 months, the last couple premium boxes hadn't been that exciting. And the values honestly weren't that great. They weren't that much more than the base boxes. So I feel like I kind of have to take a little bit more into consideration the fact that the premium box is a very hit or a miss for me. I feel like some months they outdo themselves, they have amazing like collaborations, but then the next couple boxes in between are very stale, they're a little bit boring. So kind of have to consider that. But I'm also kind of like, base box is also the same. Like they'll have a good month and then it'll be kind of stale for a little bit. Wow, I just completely scrambled everything inside my brain right now because of this month. I'm really torn right now. Please help me out and give me your guys' opinion on these two boxes. Which one would you cancel? Which one would you keep? Have you already canceled one? Like I need you guys to help me in this because I'm seriously like torn right now. I could really go either way. I guess we'll find out in the next video which one I ended up keeping because right now I'm extremely torn. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed me unboxing this month's base and premium box for July. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!